Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome my YouTube channel at my fashion studio viewers. How are you? I hope so you will be fine. So guys, now I am sharing this video beautiful new and worthy classical ideas. Hopefully guys you like this video and amazing ideas you will enjoy at a time. And guys, enjoy this video, and first of all viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. New and stylistic pattern I am sharing this video. Subscribe this channel. Hopefully guys you like this amazing stylish pattern. That's our most amazing new and different ideas and new elegant and stun pattern in this video I am introduce. Hopefully you like this video. New and elegant ideas. So viewers, hopefully you like this video and new elegant ideas. That's very amazing elegant blouses designs आप इसमें शेयर किए जा रहे हैं. And guys, enjoy this video, like my ideas. New amazing and worthy pattern. So guys, I hope you like this video. Beautiful and stylistic pattern I am shared in this video, and guys you will enjoy my ideas. Different designs, elegant pattern, new and trending ideas. Guys, like this video. Different designs viewers I am share in this video. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy this video. Elegant and stylistic ideas, new pattern designs and different top elegant designs ideas I am introducing with you. Subscribe this channel.